We know you know the anti-inflammatory foods to eat every day, but have you ever heard of the most anti-inflammatory food of them all? So come on and join us as we show you why red meat is the #1 anti-inflammatory food in the world. Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your #1 trusted information source for weight loss, health, and wellness insights. Today, we're diving into a topic that might surprise many of you: red meat and why it's considered the #1 best anti-inflammatory food in the world. Yes, you heard that right. Red meat, often demonized, actually holds powerful health benefits when consumed. Let's get into the details. What is red meat? Red meat refers to the muscle meat of mammals, which is red when raw. This includes beef, lamb, pork, and venison. The rich color comes from a higher concentration of myoglobin, a protein that stores oxygen in muscle cells. While red meat is often criticized for its saturated fat content, when sourced correctly, it can be a powerhouse of nutrition. What are the nutrients in red meat? Red meat is packed with essential nutrients that are crucial for overall health. Here are some of the key nutrients found in red meat and their effects on the body. 1. Protein. Red meat is an excellent source of high-quality protein, which is vital for building and repairing tissues, including muscles, skin, and organs. Protein also plays a crucial role in hormone production and immune function. 2. Iron. Red meat provides heme iron, which is more easily absorbed by the body compared to non-heme iron found in plant sources. Iron is essential for the production of hemoglobin, which transports oxygen in the blood. 3. Zinc. Essential for immune function, wound healing, and DNA synthesis, zinc found in red meat is highly bioavailable, meaning it's easily utilized by the body. 4. B vitamins. Red meat is rich in B vitamins, including B12, B6, niacin, riboflavin, and pantothenic acid. These vitamins support energy metabolism, brain function, and the formation of red blood cells. 5. Creatine. Red meat is a natural source of creatine, which is important for energy production in muscle cells, enhancing muscle strength and performance. 6. Omega-3. Omega-3 fatty acids are well known for their anti-inflammatory effects. They are also muscle, heart, and brain healthy, improving overall health. Why is grass-fed, grass-finished meat the best option? Grass-fed, grass-finished meat comes from animals that have been raised on a natural diet of grass throughout their lives. This type of meat is superior for several reasons. 1. Higher nutrient density. Grass-fed meat tends to be richer in omega-3 fatty acids, which are anti-inflammatory and contain higher levels of vitamins like A and E and minerals. 2. Better fat profile. Grass-fed meat has a healthier ratio of omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acids, which helps reduce inflammation in the body. 3. Environmental benefits. Raising animals on pasture is more sustainable and environmentally friendly, promoting soil health and reducing the carbon footprint. Can meat help muscle mass and exercise performance? Red meat is a staple for athletes and fitness enthusiasts due to its high protein content and other nutrients that support muscle growth and recovery. The protein in red meat provides the building blocks for muscle repair after strenuous exercise. Additionally, nutrients like creatine and iron enhance physical performance and stamina by improving energy production and oxygen delivery to muscles. Why red meat is anti-inflammatory? Contrary to popular belief, red meat is anti-inflammatory. Here's why. 1. High omega-3 fatty acids. Grass-fed, grass-finished red meat is a good source of omega-3 fatty acids, which have strong anti-inflammatory properties. These fatty acids help reduce the production of inflammatory molecules in the body, aid with weight loss and body repair. 2. CLA, also known as conjugated linoleic acid. This is a type of fat found in higher concentrations in grass-fed meat. CLA has been shown to reduce inflammation and improve immune function. Antioxidants. Grass-fed, grass-finished red meat contains higher levels of antioxidants like vitamin E and vitamin A, which help combat oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. 4. High protein profile. The proteins in high-quality red meat are highly bioavailable, which means that they are easier for the body to absorb and use. Proteins are the building blocks of the body and are essential for healing and repairing it. Why protein is so important for health? Protein is an essential macronutrient that plays a critical role in nearly every function of the human body. It is necessary for 1. Tissue repair and growth. Protein provides the amino acids needed for organ tissue repair, muscle tissue repair and growth, which is crucial for maintaining muscle mass, especially as we age. 2. Enzyme production. Proteins are involved in the synthesis of enzymes which regulate various physiological processes, including metabolism, immune function, and mood. 3. Immune function. Antibodies, which help fight off infections, are made of proteins. A diet sufficient in protein supports a robust immune system. 4. Hormone production. The high-quality proteins and nutrients in red meat aid with the proper production of hormones, which are constantly working in our bodies to keep good health and balance. How eating meat can help healing and repairing? Meat, particularly red meat, supports the body's healing and repair processes due to its high content of complete proteins and essential nutrients. For instance, collagen production. The amino acids in red meat, such as glycine and proline, are essential for collagen production, which is important for skin, joint, and gut health. Wound healing. Zinc and iron in red meat play crucial roles in wound healing and tissue regeneration. They aid in cell division, protein synthesis, and the formation of new blood vessels. Muscle repair. After injuries or surgeries, the high-quality protein in red meat helps rebuild damaged tissues and muscles, speeding up the recovery process. What happens if you cut meat out of your diet? Diet is a personal decision each person has to take. If you choose to eliminate meat from your diet, it can have several implications for your health, some of which might be detrimental if not properly managed. Nutrient deficiencies. You may be at risk of deficiencies in essential nutrients such as iron, vitamin B12, and zinc, which are abundantly found in meat. These deficiencies can lead to anemia, fatigue, and impaired immune function. Loss of muscle mass. Without adequate protein intake, maintaining muscle mass can become challenging, especially for older adults and those engaging in regular physical activity. Decreased satiety. Meat is highly satiating, helping to keep you full and reducing overall calorie intake. Without it, you might find yourself feeling hungry more often, potentially leading to overeating and weight gain. Reduced physical performance. The lack of creatine and sufficient protein can lead to decreased physical performance, as these nutrients are crucial for muscle energy and strength. Poor wound healing. Red meat plays crucial roles in wound healing and tissue regeneration due to its nutritional components. They aid in cell division, protein synthesis, and the formation of new blood vessels, all necessary for proper healing. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, red meat, when sourced and prepared properly, emerges as an exceptionally nutrient-dense food with numerous health benefits, often overlooked due to common misconceptions. Understanding the full scope of what red meat offers and how it functions within our bodies is crucial to appreciating its role as an anti-inflammatory food. Red meat is packed with essential nutrients, each contributing uniquely to overall health. High-quality protein in red meat is vital for muscle repair and growth, hormone production, and immune function. Iron, in its heme form, found abundantly in red meat, is crucial for oxygen transportation in the blood. Zinc supports immune function and wound healing, while B vitamins are essential for energy metabolism, brain function, and the formation of red blood cells. Additionally, red meat provides creatine, enhancing muscle strength and performance by improving energy production. Choosing grass-fed, grass-finished meat amplifies these benefits. Grass-fed meat is richer in omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, and contains higher levels of vitamins A and E. The fat profile of grass-fed meat is healthier, with a better ratio of omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acids, reducing inflammation. Furthermore, grass-fed practices are more sustainable and environmentally friendly, promoting soil health and reducing the carbon footprint, making it a better choice for both personal health and the planet. The anti-inflammatory potential of red meat lies in its nutrient composition. Grass-fed red meat's omega-3 fatty acids reduce the production of inflammatory molecules in the body. Conjugated linoleic acid, present in higher concentrations in grass-fed meat, has been shown to reduce inflammation and improve immune function. The antioxidants in grass-fed red meat, such as vitamin E, combat oxidative stress, further reducing inflammation. These components collectively make red meat a potent anti-inflammatory food, especially beneficial when integrated into a healthy food plan. Protein is a fundamental building block for the human body. It is crucial for muscle repair and growth, especially important for maintaining muscle mass as we age. Proteins are also integral in synthesizing enzymes and hormones, regulating various physiological processes like metabolism and immune response. Moreover, antibodies essential for fighting infections are proteins. A diet rich in high-quality protein supports robust immune function and overall health. The amino acids in red meat, such as glycine and proline, are essential for collagen production, which is vital for skin, joint, and gut health. Zinc and iron found in red meat are crucial for wound healing and tissue regeneration, aiding in cell division, protein synthesis, and the formation of new blood vessels. These properties make red meat a valuable food for recovery after injuries or surgeries. Removing meat from the diet can lead to several nutritional deficiencies and health issues. Nutrient deficiencies, particularly in iron, vitamin B12, and zinc, can result in anemia, fatigue, and impaired immune function. Without adequate protein intake, maintaining muscle mass becomes challenging, especially for those engaged in regular physical activity. Additionally, the lack of creatine and sufficient protein can diminish physical performance, affecting muscle energy and strength. So, red meat, particularly when grass-fed and grass-finished, is an invaluable component of a healthy diet. Its rich nutrient profile, anti-inflammatory properties, and essential role in muscle maintenance, healing, and overall health underscore its significance. Understanding these benefits allows for a more informed approach to dietary choices, emphasizing the importance of high-quality red meat in promoting optimal health. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with today's subject. We love hearing from you. Your support is very appreciated. It helps us grow and create even more content for empowering you to achieve a better body and optimal health every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right nutrients, stay consistent with your training, and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your health and fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.